We just get used to the banality of evil, as Anna Arendt put it. And even in this second last book of his, Professor Bauman talks a lot about the banality of evil, how we are accustomed to the spectacle of human misery, and the spectacle of corpses floating on water, of bodies dismembered, of this human life that is not human, these wasted lives. We have gotten used to it. And what made us used to it is the horrors of the 20th century. In this sense, Bauman, an 80-year-old social scholar, reminds me of the work of an eminent historian like Erich Obschbaum, who in the extreme century, his history of the 20th century, he talks about, for that matter, Geert Mak, in his lovely documentary in Europa, talks about the 20th century as the most cruel, the most bloodthirsty, the most genocidal century in recorded human history, which means that we have gotten used to the spectacle of human misery. It's called the pornography of suffering, the pornographic displays of the corpse, of human pathos. And I think that for Bauman is a symptom of our loss of ethical responsibility. We don't care, we just consume the images. And a lot of the book Liquid Fear is about this combination of our being in the grips of fear and the consumeristic spectatorship of human suffering. We have to get our dose of death every day. And it is pornographic in two senses. It's visual, it's the perennial display, looking at the suffering of others. Talk shows, reality shows do exactly that, by the way. You go out there and you display your suffering, your pathetic, ego-centered little sort of traumas and miseries. This pornography in the sense that it is a display. It's also pornographic in a deeper sense of the term. It is addictive. It is made of repetition. It keeps you hanging there. You need another shot. You get titillated but never released. You need to come back for more. It is serial. It is repetitive. So a dulling of our ethical sensibility, an inability to actually share our humanity with others, which is the problem of advanced capitalism according to Bauman. The conclusion, to my quick introduction, what does he propose? Why is he interesting? What is his answer to this? And like a true man of the 20th century, Zygmunt Bauman connects ethics to epistemology, to knowledge, to understanding. He says that we need to begin our process of becoming ethical again by understanding the conditions of our own ethical illiteracy. We actually have to understand how careless we are, how we don't even see these images anymore, how we just need another shot of them. Give us today our daily dose of death, because otherwise we feel that we haven't started our day. Understanding in the sense of a knowledge, a consciousness-raising process by which we understand, we begin to see the limitations of our own ethical responsibilities. And this is why I think here the media, artists, Spike Lee, Ashley, we'll see what he has to say, have a very important role to play. People that work with the images and undo the addictive, the pornographic, the dulling effect of those images, forcing us to look upon them as mirrors that reflect our ignorance, fundamentally our self-ignorance, how we ignore the conditions of our own historicity. We ignore the world that we're living in, and also ethical illiteracy. We don't care, we don't give a stuff. Better than us, I'm busy, and there's a lot else to worry about. So knowledge, consciousness raising, and the work of thinking, the life of the mind, as precondition to develop an ethical consciousness. Very sort of a noble, very Spinozist, I find. It's knowledge and understanding as a key to an ethical responsibility, and very civil, in the sense that Bauman believes that this is what citizenship is made of. It is made of this high degree of consciousness, the pursuit of the knowledge that goes with it, and compassion not as a new age given, not the planet yoga that we were talking about in some other lectures, but as a project by which we train ourselves to care again, and to take the business our citizenship, and that we see our ethical impoverishment as a limitation of the kind of citizens that we have become. And I think it's this combination, knowledge, consciousness, the project of ethics, not just simple morality, but the project of learning that every human life actually matters, that nobody is a disposable body. Or as we say in the civil rights movement, in human rights and feminist movement, each and every one of us matters. If it can happen to one of us, it can happen to all of us. We are in this together. Recomposing the common humanity, I think, is the ethical challenge. And it seems to me that Bauman's work is absolutely at the center of this, without sentimentality, without an essentialist idea of what humanity is, but with a deep commitment to this togetherness. If it can happen to one of us, it can happen to all of us, certainly when it comes to environmental catastrophes and the climate change. More than ever, we are in that together. So I so wish he would be here to answer questions and elucidate this, but these are the reasons why we had wanted to invite him. And I think if you have a look at his last book, you will, I'm sure, enjoy the clarity and the rigor with which he defends these ideas.